So there are obviously a number of cases pending and threatened to date against Roger Ailes. The question is, where do those go? Sometimes civil suits are designed to send a message. Sometimes civil suits are designed to seek damages. Depending on that, the individual plaintiffs might decide to continue or not continue with the litigation against Ailes himself. And it can proceed against his estate. Remember, his estate stands in for him, and in that sense, the suits can proceed. There would, however, be evidentiary issues that potentially arise that make the case, if not necessarily much more complicated, at least somewhat more complicated. So clearly Fox News, as a defendant in these civil claims for damages based on the conduct that occurred, they remain a viable defendant, and I suspect most of those cases can be expected to continue to persist. In many ways, the conduct of Fox News, you might say, was independent of the conduct of Roger Ailes. And in that sense, we would expect the people who brought those claims to want them to persist and want them to continue. Obviously, Fox News is put into a more complicated position. You might imagine in some ways a more sympathetic position, in the sense that it is more difficult for them to investigate, to make determinations, to figure out what exactly happened here. On the other hand, it also means that they don't have the benefit of Roger Ailes' testimony and engagement with the litigation in terms of his defending what he did and what happened.